HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand how partitioning the sum of squares produces an equation to solve the independent measures ANOVA. Let's see why the partitioning of between group sum of squares is actually the same as the formula for groups with unequal sample sizes. The three columns show the score's group mean, and the between group variability for that score. Let's start with the scores in the first group. Each score has the same between group variability, because the scores are in the same group. Importantly, the between group variability is repeated for each score in the group. The total between group variability for all the scores will be the sample size, n1, multiplied by the squared deviation between the mean of group 1, m1, and the grand mean, gm. We'll repeat this process for all the scores in the second group. Just as with group 1, the total between group variability for all the scores will be the sample size, n2, multiplied by the squared deviation between the mean of group 2, m2, and the grand mean, gm. We'll repeat this process for all the scores in the third group. Just as with groups 1 and 2, the total between group variability for all the scores will be the sample size, n3, multiplied by the squared deviation between the mean of group 3, m3, and the grand mean, gm. We can indicate the sum of all between group variability sum of squares with the summation sign, which indicates each group mean with an mj. This total is the sum of between group sum of squares, but it is also the same as the between group formula for groups with unequal sample sizes in a single factor independent measures ANOVA. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.